love. Lagi ako nagpapasalamat kay Lord at lagi kang kasama sa prayer ko na ingatan ang kalusugan mo, trabaho mo, at thank you kasi nandito na tayo sa moment na pangarap natin dalawa. And this is it. Thank you and God bless you and I love you so much.
Torn down, full of aching, somehow.
Tapos, masaya tayo kasama kong buong family namin dalawa.
The way we let it stay. Toward how.
Pinipilit ko ngayon kami.
Ayan. Ganun talaga naman.
Stop ng kwentuhan. Malam, hag na lang.
Okay. Only for a taste.
Siyempre, magkakaroon na ako ng kabiyak sa buhay. At sobrang saya ko ngayong araw na to. Ito na ang pinakahintay naming araw na dumating. Kahit na umuulan, bumabagyo na, at least natuloy pa rin yung wedding namin.
Ano sabi ng Lord? Igalang mo ang iyong mga magulang at bibigyan ka ng Diyos na masagana at mahaba.
Simple lang maging pangako ko sa'yo. Palagi kitang pipiliin. Palagi kitang susuportahan. Ipagluluto kita. Ipaghahanda kita. Hindi lang itlog ang kaya kong luto.
I will carry you. To my dearest friend on earth, there's no way to tell your worth. I could sail the distant sea, still be lonely. And God said it's not good for man to be
Papasalamat ako
alone.
sa biyayang ikaw ay nasa aking buhay at iniisip ko ang masaganang paglago at sa pag-ibig at pananampalataya kasama ka.
So come with me. You'll see when the sun is shining.
Thank you pa. Salamat sa suporta and love. I'm so blessed. Na ikaw yung papa ko. I love you.
When the winter comes, I'll keep you warm. I'll carry you through a springtime love.
Ang masasabi ko sa aking future wife ay sana maging masaya ka, na ako maging asawa mo, at sana maging masaya tayo habang buhay na magkasama. And I love you.
The seasons come and go.
So, thankful ako sa mapapangasawa ko. Yun lang, super blessed ako. At thankful ako kay Lord.
By the grace of God who gave his life to you, I give my own. I give my own. I keep you warm.
And thankful ako kay Lord na kuha mo ang isang Madora, Blanca, Seda, Bermudo. Kaya, praise the Lord. Love, maraming salamat. Mamahalin kita palagi.
When our lives begun, when we became one, through all the
Thankful ako palagi sa Lord. Ma, tatay, thank you. Dahil meron akong Ernesto, Anyano, Birdie Floor Jr.
able to separate us from the love of God. Our love is an evergreen. Our love grows deeper. Our roots run wild, and nothing shall be able to separate us from the love of God. When the sun is shining, when the leaves are falling, when the winter comes, I'll carry you through our springtime love. I'll carry you through our springtime love. When our lives begun, we became one.